Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am Smera Healthy Wali from the platform of an Artificial Intelligence Teacher Training Institute Level 1. Welcome to another episode of TED Talks Review. Viewers, today I am reviewing a very interesting topic called The Impact of Technology on Education by Annette Agarwal. He is an educator, engineer, entrepreneur, and professor who has worked extensively in the field of online education and educational technology. He do believe that large scale of online learning opportunities are very important in these days. His ideas make us think about an important question: how can technology change the way we teach and learn? So, the first idea that caught my attention is that technology is changing education in many ways. In the past, learning was often limited to the textbooks, classroom, and physical libraries. Today, students can access information from almost anywhere in the world. They can watch educational videos, they can attend online courses, they can communicate with teachers and learners around the world. They can also use digital tools to practice new skills. Viewers, this means learning is becoming more flexible and accessible nowadays. Technology has opened a door to knowledge that is much larger than the traditional classroom. Viewers, the other important benefit of technology is accessibility. Not every student has the opportunity to attend the best schools or the universities. Distance, cost, location, and other barriers can limit educational opportunities. Technology can help reduce some of these barriers. So, this creates opportunities for the people who might otherwise have limited access to higher quality education resources. Viewers, technology does not only give students more information, it can also make learning more interactive. Instead of simple reading a chapter, students can watch demonstrations, participate in online discussion, complete quizzes, and practice skills. So, digital learning platforms can also provide immediate feedback. This happens, students understand their mistakes and try again. And when students actively participate, learning can be become more engaging. Viewers, I do believe that goal should not be to use technology simply because it is modern. The goal should be to use it when it improves the learning experience. Viewers, one of the most important points I would take from this topic is that technology should not move our means to removing teachers from the classrooms or from the education. A computer can provide information, a video can explain a concept, a AI tool can answer the question, but teachers provide something very important: human connections. Teacher understands students' emotions. They encourage them when they feel discouraged. They notice when a student is struggling. This helps the students to develop confidence. So I do believe that the best future is not technology versus teachers. It is technology working together with teacher, which is very important message of today TED Talks. Student, this flexibility is extremely valuable. It reminds me that learning does not have to stop when a classroom ends. We can continue learning whenever and wherever curiosity leads us to a new question. If we talk about the artificial intelligence, when we add AI to educational technologies, the possibilities become even greater. AI can help teachers to create lessons plans, quizzes, activities, and personalized learning material. Student can ask AI to explain difficult concepts in different ways, like they can practice questions, they can receive feedbacks, they can explore topics that interest them. But we should use AI responsibly, which is very important. Students should not simply copy AI generated answers. They should use AI to understand, practice questions, and to create by themselves. Viewer, the key takeaways of this TED Talk is that technology can make education more accessible. Online learning can connect students with knowledge and educators, and digital tools can make learning more interactive and flexible. Technology should support teachers rather than replace the human connections. And AI can make learning more personalized, but it must be used responsibly and thoughtfully. So finally, overall, I found this impact of technology on education is very interesting and highly relevant to today's world. So my biggest takeaway is that technology can change how we learn, but the purpose of education remains the same. That is helping people now understand, create, and reach their potential. Technology gives us access to the information. Online education gives us flexibility. AI gives us new possibility, but teachers give students guidance, encouragement, empathy, and human connection, which have no alternative. So, the future of education should not be about choosing between technology and teachers. It should be about bringing the best of both together. I would definitely recommend this topic to teachers, students, parents, and anyone interested in the future of education. Viewers, thank you so much for watching this review. This is all about today. See you in the next session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep learning, be healthy, and choose the AI wisely. Allah Hafiz.